Hey guys, this is Randy. I wanted to do a quick video on the groups within the trading room and how those are used. I've just added a new group for the cannabis stock, so let's just dive into this. I'll show you how you can use those and really streamline, getting to the trade ideas that you want. And some of you may have zero interest in trading cannabis stocks. It's still a fledgling industry, but there's some other groups out there too, and I think these groups really make it more efficient to get to what you want to, as well as get notifications. That's another benefit, and I'll go over that real quick. So when you log in, this is the welcome page. I just noticed a snafu. I logged in here with a dummy account, and I noticed it wasn't being redirected to this page. If you ever notice anything quirky on the site, let me know. Every now and then you just have to change a setting, reset permalinks, and so that's working. So you can either click here on the trading room or go to the trading room when you log in, and let's go ahead and do that now. So we go to the trading room, and here are the groups down here on the sidebar within the trading room. This is called a sidebar here, this area. Just FYI, if I put up a site-wise notice, if you've already read that notice, you don't need it again. Just click close and it'll go away for you. Here's the groups, the new cannabis groups. They'll be sorted. You can actually sort them how you want. The default is by newest, so if there's anything in there. I created this group last night. I haven't posted anything in it yet, and we'll do that today. I'll be adding some updates because there's quite a few of the cannabis stocks that I've highlighted in the last video that are popping and doing well. So I'm starting to see some early signs of momentum coming back into that sector. They're not all moving yet, but quite a few. Just wanted to make sure you guys know how to use this group thing. So all right, let's click on a group. If you're interested, for example, here's precious metals and miners. These groups, I want to make clear, are not mutually exclusive. If you post something within a group, it will show up on the front page, on the within the main page of the trading room. Let me jump back real quick before I get into that. I think there was some confusion last night on this. So if I, for example, post check out this gold stock, ABX, and then I put up a chart, whatever. You can add your charts here, you can add videos, you can add links. Now the default here is post in my profile. This is what we're looking at. This is how you use these groups. So you can see there's the default post in my profile. If I click down on that, actually I haven't joined a group yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Again, I'm using a dummy account here. I'm a member of all the groups as administrator. So let's go ahead and join the precious metal and mining stocks group. So I click on the group, and if I hit the link correctly, yeah, there it is. It'll give you a quick description up here. I mean, it's pretty clear, precious metals and miners, so it's what it's all about. Any articles, trade setups, charts, links to other sites. If there's something interesting, you can put it here. So I'm going to join this group for on this test account. And this particular, every time I record a video, it runs things run a little slower here. But there we go. I've joined that group. So now we'll notice if I'm back in the trading room. Let's go back there. You have under here my groups. I'm in one group. If I join them all whatever, it looks about 10 or so, they would all show there. And if I want to see the activity, if I come into the site and let's say I'm strictly a gold bug, I like trading gold stocks only, gold, GDX, silver, whatever it is, it'll show me posts that have only been assigned to that group. Now the thing is, if I go back to the video stream, go back to all members, that's looking at all posts, and something was posted in the gold precious metal minings group, it will also show here. So again, let's do what I tried to do before. Check out this gold stock, ABX, and whatever notes you want to put, breaking out, put a chart in there if you can. You don't have to. So now I can assign it to that group. Now, I'm on the live site right now, so I'm not going to click post update because that'll go through there. And as I'm doing this video, it's not out yet. It'll confuse everybody. So all I have to do is click post update, and that would then populate here in the activity stream. And it would also populate here under the groups. So again, when you come into the site next time, if you want to see what's going on, you're already a member, so you just click my groups here, or you can just go over here and click precious metals and miners. It looks like it was active 13 seconds ago. I don't know if it took that post. It shouldn't have published it. Either way, I guess since I accessed it. Okay, so, oh yeah, I joined it. That's what it was. All right, so there it is up there. And again, you can scroll through all of those. Now, here's a benefit to joining a group. If I or anybody else posts something in here and I do my best to assign a trade to whatever category it's most relevant to. Now, the thing about that is, keep in mind, I have a group here for swing trading. I have a group for day trading. Not a lot of day traders on the site. Every now and then I'll post a day trading op. But we have different groups, and sometimes they overlap. Dividend and income investing, investing in trend trading. Well, there might be a stock that I'm looking at, and it's poised for a move that might last a few weeks or a couple months, and that would be a swing trade. But that stock also is bottoming, let's say, and has the potential to rise over the next year or plus. That would also be in the investing in trend trading. Unfortunately, in the trading room, we don't have yet the ability to use multiple categories. We can only assign it to one. Again, the point being that it'll show in the main activity stream. So I think, in my opinion, everybody should check the trading room. When you click, the default is what they call the activity stream. That's everything posted. But you might want to check some of these different groups if you are both an investor as well as a swing trader. If you trade gold stocks, if you're like me, I'm you name it. If it's commodity, stock, currency, if it has a chart and it looks promising, looks like it's going to make a move, I'll trade it. I don't care what it is. So, I'm personally trade all of these. And follow all those groups. So now what I wanted to show you here is, let's say, okay, so you're interested in gold mining stocks. Now what you can do is go up to your username, which is just above here. I'm just outside the screen. It says howdy username, whatever your username is. And then you can go down here to settings and go to email. And what this is going to do is bring up your email notifications for the trading room, not for the front page posts. That's under a separate area. If you have any questions, let me know on that. I think it's all covered here in these links. There's other links how to use a trading room. So now here's the email settings, and if you want to receive an activity, a notification every time a member mentions you. So in this, I'm using a dummy username, right side of the chart, test. So if someone tags me that way, yes, I will get an email notification immediately right to my inbox. Anytime somebody replies to an update or a comment, you can go ahead and read through these. They're pretty simple. So you might not want to receive a reply every time somebody replies to a comment or a thread that you're on. If you make a top-level post and somebody replies or comments, you're going to get one there. Member sends you a message, you probably want to have that checked. That would allow other members to send you a private message from the private messaging system. Again, that is up here somewhere. How to use a trading room will tell you how to use private messages. I don't want to get off topic here. Friendship requests, you can do all that good stuff. Groups. And there's one other thing I wanted to show you. So let's go back to precious metals and miners. Click it if you're in that group. If you've joined the group, click it here, and then you have, here it is, email options within the group. I know there's a lot of moving parts to this, but these are just things you can take advantage of. I really like this feature. So again, I'm a precious metals trader, a gold bug, let's say, or you can do this with all the categories. Every time a post is made, you have an option. Well, you have a few options. Don't receive any emails. You'll go ahead and log into the site at your convenience. You're not in a rush. You can get a weekly summary email. I find that pretty nice, especially in the groups, seeing what's been posted by anybody. As long as they've assigned it to the precious metals and mining group, you'll get a weekly summary of all the posts that have been made within there. That's sort of nice. You can get a daily digest once a day at the end of the day, all the activity bundled into a single email, or all emails. So every time that somebody, including myself, if I post a trade setup or a chart, it might be an article or commentary on anything to do with the metals or the miners, you'll get an email right away. And if you find that that you're getting too many emails, you can come back in here at any time. Again, enter the group. When you pull up the group right there, you can click on email options and save your options. So a couple ways to do it. And again, it's up to you whether you receive or don't receive. If I'm not mistaken, I have the default on with everything on the account not to receive email notifications. So just to summarize, There's a different area, and if you have questions on that, how to receive notifications every time a post is made on the front page. Those are my official trade ideas, any market analysis. Then you have these options here to receive posts within the trading room, emails, I should say, when a post is made within specific groups. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, I know there's a lot of moving parts here, but just pause the video, watch it. And again, there's some other tutorials here on how to use a trading room and do other things in there. And this has been Randy Finney with Right Side of the Chart. Hope you enjoyed it.